Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to download YouTube Shorts. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead to your YouTube. So you go ahead and open your YouTube app, and we are going to look for a short. So we have this one right here as an example. So you go ahead and click on it, and what you want to do now is to click on share. Click on share, and you want to copy link. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead to your web browser, preferably Chrome. So go ahead to your Chrome browser, and you want to search for YouTube downloader. Go ahead and search for YouTube downloader, and we have the link right here, and you want to click on the first link. Go ahead and search for YouTube downloader, and this is the website. So we're going to we're going to paste our link here, and we're going to start conversion. In between there's a lot of ads, and you can download depending on the quality that you want. I'm just going to go ahead for the 720 quality, and you click download, and your download should start. Now there's a lot of ads that you have to skip, but the download should start. And you can see my downloading file has begun, and you can click on see details, and it's almost done, and it is done. So now all I have to do is go back to my gallery, and I should find it in my downloads, and here it is. Here it is, and that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.